talking points memo is about the brawl in the Senate yesterday. So before former FBI Director James Comey was indicted, we'll tell you about that in a couple of minutes, the Senate Judiciary Committee, that's the big oversight committee, invited Attorney General Bondi to testify about Epstein, and now there's accusations against Tom Homan that he may have taken a bribe, stuff that the Attorney General deals with. Now, Ms. Bondi is a smart woman. I had a long conversation with her in September, and she knows the game, that the Democrats on the Judiciary Committee are going to try to use her to embarrass Trump. They don't care about information. They know that any accusation against anybody can't be discussed by the Attorney General because we have due process here. You're innocent until proven guilty. Homan hasn't been charged with anything. Is there an investigation? Maybe. Maybe the FBI is looking into it. I don't know, but they're not going to tell you in case Homan is innocent. Why would you besmirch him? So the Democratic senators know that, and Pam Bondi knows it, so there's no answer to any question. The Epstein thing is ridiculous. It's just absurd. There are rumors and innuendo, and the Attorney General is not going to answer those things, get mired in that swamp. Who would do that? All right. So Ms. Bondi went into the hearing with written put-downs, that's the best word, of the senators she knew were going to use these tactics. Roll of tape.
Senator, I would be more concerned if I were you when you talk about corruption and money that when you pushed for legislation that would subsidize your wife's company. Senator Whitehouse, you sit here and make salacious remarks, once again trying to slander President Trump left and right, when you're the one who was taking money from one of Epstein's closest confidants, I believe, I could be wrong, correct me, Reid Hoffman, who was with Jeffrey Epstein on multiple occasions. And the senator sitting right next to you tried to block the flight logs from being released. I wish you loved Chicago as much as you hate President Trump. And currently, the National Guard are on the way to Chicago. If you're not going to protect your citizens, President Trump will. First, Senator Padilla, you have gone on for over 5 minutes, and I wish that you loved your state of California as much as you hate President Trump. We'd be in really good shape then, because violent crime in California is currently 35% higher than the national average.
All right, so it was amusing to watch the put-downs and then the replies and all, but did it do anybody any good? Did you learn anything? No. Right? No, it was just like an insult derby. And that's what politics has descended into. Homeowners, when is the last time you checked on your home title? If your answer is never, then this is for you. Scammers are stealing titles, and your equity is a target. Criminals forge your signature. Just like that, your home title can be transferred out of your name. That's why I partnered up with Home Title Lock, so you can find out today if you're already a victim. Please use my promo code BILL at HometitleLock.com, and you'll get a free title history report. Plus, you will get a free trial of their $1 million triple lock protection. That's 24/7 monitoring of your title, urgent alerts of any changes, and if fraud does happen, they'll spend up to $1 million to fix it. That's HometitleLock.com, promo code BILL. Now, the last time that the Justice Department was actually given a referral, a criminal referral from the Senate, was 6 years ago. So these hearings are just a total waste of time. And they play to the cameras knowing that the internet and the cables will pick up the stuff to be as outrageous as possible. It's just really, it's wrong. It's just wrong. They're not representing, they being on both sides, but mostly the Democrats, because they hate Trump so much. And, look, I want some problem solving here. Stop with this nonsense. The attack on Epstein. Epstein is in, whenever you hear that name, you know that it's only being used to try to smear and demean Donald Trump. That being said, another cliche, the Justice Department should define what the Epstein thing is. They should tell the American people, this is what we have. This is a conclusion that we've reached now. This could change, but that is so simple to do. Take away that club from the radical left. So I don't know why the Justice Department doesn't do that. On the other stuff, again, I don't know what Homan did or didn't do, but you don't besmirch him and try to ruin him on innuendo. And Bondi was right to avoid those questions, and that's the memo.